Hi guys, today we are playing Binding of Isaac for the Wii U. Okay, let's get started. I have already started this game before. To speed it up, I am playing as Zazel. Alright, let's do this. First time I've been on YouTube in a while, so hopefully this goes well. Keep subscribing, and more videos will come out at a later date. See if I can get to Satan on this run. If you're new to this game will cost $14. It's a good game. Still hoping that the new Afterbirth DLC goes to Wii U, hopefully. Oh wow, I got 2 of these cards. It's been forever since I've released a video. Also, there might be a new Five Nights at Freddy's fan fiction or whatever you kids call it, out that I will make. You guys put in the comments what one I should do. Like last time I did, was it Bonnie and Freddy? The Haunt. Okay. It's not that hard of a boss. 600 health. Take out his gobloons, or whatever they're called, or ghosts, where you can actually get to him. And he deals this. Ow. I should probably stop talking for a little bit. Alright, whatever. He's dead. Ooh, the pentagram, damage up. The cool thing about these, if you take a half and then go in the thing, you get a free red heart, which is always nice. Might always need one of those. See? And the cool thing with cool, that's why I need it. You hit one of these, you get some pills. Pretty fly, that's always nice. Full health, that's sucky. And then you hit the full. No damage coming out, and no damage coming in. I need 2 bombs to get into Isaac's bedroom. See if I can get anything on there. Pretty easy overall. Oh man, I forgot. I didn't go to the, what's it called? One of these rooms in the last floor. I forgot. Alright. Sorry. Getting in the zone. Game's actually pretty easy. No, I shouldn't say that. That's gonna buff me up like crazy. Make it insane to try and beat monster I can do without getting hurt. Never mind. There. Alright, we got this. Ooh. Double room. And I've got 2 black hearts. Guaranteed double room. That's what's nice. Alright, click those keys. I still don't have any bombs. Dang. Wait. Is there another room? Fudge. As soon as I get really good at this game, I might do a speed run. Last time I checked, I think the world record is 9 minutes. I don't know. I got this. Dang it, I still don't have any bombs. Sometimes if you bomb the back of Satan in the devil room, you get a soul heart. Okay. Man. 3 more rooms to go to Mom's heart. Let's see if I can beat that. Alright. The seed for this room is M064, M064, T1P1. Okay. Totally forgot about that. See if you can beat my time or whatever. Oh, there was a bomb. Whatever. Okay. Ooh, is that bomb's eye? Eye in the back of your head. Oh wow, that's cool. If I got full range, I could probably just sit right here and I think it's called Roar, where you can, instead of bombing blocks, you can just right away stomp on them and it breaks instantly. See if I can get. Oh, come on. I don't have to go in pairs. Alright. I always hate that one. Really? Oh. Alright, one more playthrough. If I die on this one, the video's over. Okay? Alright. Don't forget this. Oh, man. But it does give me 5 bombs. See if I can find a hidden rock. I like being Azazel, because then the spikes don't hurt you. This game is pretty fun. I suggest getting it. These guys can't hurt you. Kinda sucks just sitting there killing them. It feels bad. In a later video, I might try and unlock the Lost. Ah, fish head. Oh, Headless Horseman. It's kind of hard. Oh, look at this. Splash tears. Oh, cool, I got that off. What? Oh, that's what fish head does. I guess when you get attacked, it brings flies out. Like revenge. Oh, that's much better. Dash attack. And it gives me a little horse. But since I'm a Azazel, I can already fly, so that doesn't help on that part. But at least I have a dash attack. Alright, I got this.
Fondle my titties and call me Susan.
And that would be my brother. Oh, golden key, that's nice. I'm gonna edit that part out. You know what? No, I'm not. Hold on, let's see how much damage. Oh wow, 2 bars from full damage. That's nice. Blood of Martyr. Whatever. What's my speed? 3? That's like I buffed up way more than that. Okay. I might as well. Come on. You better give me something. Yeah, dogs. Oh, heck yeah. Dessert. Health up. That's mean. See that? That was a bag of dog food, but it said dessert. Isaac's mom must be mean. Or Azazel's mom. Whatever, same mom. I kind of wish I had Mom's eye. And then the back of your head. Actually, let's try the horse. Oh wow, I killed him. Finkel. And no.
Fond of my titties and call me Susan.
Sometimes I don't like them.
This ad brought to you by
Macho Man Randy Savage. Oh yeah. P.S. Snap into a Slim Jim.
Oh, dang it, I couldn't get it to happen. I'm just not gonna mention that. Rain's a jerk sometimes. Well, hopefully my videos get better when I get older. Alright. Oh, so many coins. What stage am I on? Dang it, doesn't tell me. Oh wow, these all shoot 2 shots at a time. Sucks. Oh, that's nice. Alright. If he doesn't interrupt anymore, great. Just like Tony Tiger. Great! Or whatever. Oh, I don't have my dash attack charged. Dang it. But I can't see it. No. Okay. He's dead. Nope. So, HP up, that's nice. Alright, and then I'll have 3 hearts. Ooh, Eternal Life, Guppy's Collar. See if I get anything from right here. Dang it didn't happen. That sucks. Alright, so then we'll go find the treasure room or whatever. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Treasure room. Look at that. Nothing good. Oh, come on. And I've got to watch out for that fly sound and that poop, or he'll kill me badly. Kill me dead. Just not bother with him. Go through here. Find that treasure room. He might be down here. No. It's always the best thing with flight. Some enemies can't attack you unless they fly. If there's a rock or anything in there. There it is. Okay, and he's dead. Ah, yes! Ah, no! Ah, well, whatever. Technology. Really fast rate of fire. That's good. And I got the same damage, and I got to keep my damage. So, I've got really fast damaging attacks. And my speed is up. Not that bad, but pretty good. Alright. And 2 parts. Go through here. And it's all the way across the room too. No. What's that? I'll make it. No. Whatever. They're dead. And I've got a chance to get two lives if I die. Just with Guppy's Collar, if it does what it's supposed to do, if I'm lucky. But if I'm not, I only get 1 life. This is a tiring room. more for this guy. No? Oh, okay. Ah, yes. Double or something. Alright, so those must be good. Yeah, gas, that's... Ah, bad trip, really? I lost a heart too? No, I forgot! Oh, yeah, it was only half a heart. I think I might die. No? Doing good right now. Oh, yes, I love these. They give you a buttload of coins. You know what is overpowered? No! Oh yeah, I forgot. Wow, that saved me. No! Am I lucky? I am lucky! No! Dang, what? Whoa, I am super lucky. Watch out for that. Look like he's gonna come for me. See if I can survive this room. No, I didn't realize it. I didn't see him. He's going really, really fast. Okay. Oh, watch out. Ah, health. Heck yeah. Alright, Mega Fatty. Oh, I always hate this one. It's always super freaking fast. Oh yeah, I forgot. No. That does not work on him. He jumps, I gotta run. Oh, that was close. I might be able to survive him. Whenever I say that, I'm going to die. Oh, I dashed on him too. So I didn't get hurt. As soon as he jumped on me, I dashed. Oh, I'm gonna survive. You ain't getting me, Mega Fatty. I did it! Yes! I did it! Whoa, what? Oh, rotten meat. Alright, held up. That's always good. Alright, I got this. Where are we at? Oh, we're on Mom. We're on Mom's heart. No, we're not. We're on the Mom battle. Yeah, depths. Explains why it was so hard to defeat. I might do challenges. Ask me in the comments if you want to see challenges. And then Come on. Don't throw any bones at me. Nope. Can't handle that. Always bad at things like that. No. Oh, I don't have the orbital, or not orbital, but ghostly tears that go through blocks. Forgot. Because normally, without lasers, Azazel has that. But now that I don't have that anymore, I can't. So that sucks. Oh, boss. Another super. Okay, that was close. Way too close. Oh, there's one right there. No. Come on. If I can just get in one. Right there. Yes. Alright, there's a key. Maybe I should go for the treasure room before I do that. Down. I'm gonna keep going down, see if it's down. Okay. Oh, I'm slit. Where's it gonna be? Alright, Mom's hand. Oh god, 2 of them. Scared the crap out of me. Oh yes, treasure room. God, I forget what those are called. Oh yes, I can see forever. What that does is lets me see where all the secret rooms are. So if I keep going up, I might get one. Nope. Nope. Oh, yep, there's one right there. Not greed, really? Don't summon him? Jesus Christ, that was close. Killed him. Alright, then I'm gonna take the safe pass back up to Mom and kill her. Nope, there's the other secret room. Go through there. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I forgot. I have red hearts right now. So I can do that. Then if I'm, like, on my last, like, half a health on Mom. What? That should be Mom. What? That's odd. There's 6 rooms. Supposed to be on the 6th room that you verse Mom. Did you know? Oh yeah, I can't do it. Oh, that was close. Really close. Oh god. God, that's freaking crazy. Trust you more. Stop making those cute little faces. Okay. Wow, cute with me? Really? Alright. So. Alright, this should be Mom battle. And then the next room over should be Mom's heart. And then the other one should be Titan battle. Oh, I got 11 keys, so I can go in there. Okay, we've got a pill. Another I can see forever. Might as well. 2 bombs, that sucks. Alright, what's in the other chest? Alright, a key and a coin. And if we get bomb right. Put bomb right there. Put bomb right there. Soul heart. Yes, I got a soul heart. I got 1 soul heart from it. If I get any more bombs, I might. Yeah. Ah, chub. 2 chubs. Oh, that's not fun. I need a lot more damage if I get good. Good, son. Oh, fudge. And I have to defeat 2 of them? Kill him. Yes, I got him. Destroy you. To the chest. What's in you? Nothing good. Oh. I can see it forever. Help. Alright, well, fire right up. Oh my god, that's amazing. If I could just get a constant stream of that, that would be amazing. I have 9 keys left and 0 bombs still. Oh, luck foot. Or, yeah, lucky foot. Look up. This is actually a pretty good run than the ones I've been doing so far. Yes, the ZZHBCNQ7. Defeat this champion. Mulligan. That's what it is. Yeah, keep forgetting. Get an instant charge. Good. No, nothing good. Oh, what the heck was that? Eh? Be insane if I got another damage up. Like that. Alright. I'm right when the time comes. Okay. Oh wow. If I didn't already have Cain, I would have unlocked him right now. It takes 55 coins to unlock him. Holy crap, I have 70 coins. Okay. And another key, wow. And another key. This is key. Yeah, that sound. Spiders? Really? I don't care. What the heck is that? Don't kill me. Oh, it explodes too? Good thing I dodged out of the way of that. Oh wow. I've got a lot of health. And I still don't have any bombs. Dang it. Oh, okay. Put 2 right there. Oh my god, I got 2 soul hearts from that. Okay. I've got almost a full bar of health. Jesus. This is... oh man, didn't mean to do that. Alright. Put 1 there. Put 1 there. Oh man, nothing? Really? Okay. Well, at least I have a lot of health. Dang it! I didn't mean to go that fast. Spend that key. Oh, my key. Oh, there's the Isaac one. If you look on the back of the one that I'm shooting at right now, he's got an Isaac face on him. Another key. Dang it! I was able to pick it up because it kept circling around it because the course. Alright, this should be... yeah, ransom one. Ah, bat! Really not cool. Not cool bat. Go in here, what do I get? Oh. Helmet. I'm pretty sure there's a card that gives you health too. Oh, wow. This little Isaac feature. Oh, I can't do that either. I don't know if I can defeat her. Come on. Can I do this too? Oh, come on, really? Oh, good thing I have a lot of health. Oh, I think she's gonna stop us again. Nope. And I gotta watch my shadow to make sure she doesn't stomp on me. That sucks whenever she does that. Oh, that really good. Oh wow, I'm getting really close to hitting her. Wow, look what I was just saying too. She is really stompy with her foot. Oh, so close. Dead! Yes! Ooh, and I got little Steven. Alright, little Steven. Let's go in here and defeat her heart. And then where that boss room over there is, that's where Satan is. If we can kill him, always be amazing. Ah, so many little creatures. We gotta watch out for all of them. Oh, and I got psychics. I've got 2 buddies, so that always helps. I mean, I would go for monster generator or monster book. Oh crap! Forgot those guys do that. I'm hurt too. Alright. Oh wow, I really do need help right now. What the heck? Now I've gotta watch out really bad right now. really, really fast pace too. I might not get to Mom's heart. Gotta take care of the moving ones first. And then I'll take care of the little pimples or whatever. Take care of those. Okay. Where are you? What, there's another moving one? Ah, God, not close. Good thing I'm watching. Yes, we killed it. Jesus, what are those? No! Come on. No! Alright, that was a good run. Until next time. Post in the comments what you want next.